Hey y'all, welcome back to the DG Outdoors. On today's video, guys, I have an epic video for you guys. Now, we're going to do the AIRSOFT BB shoot-off. We're going to try to find the most accurate BB that I have to shoot out of the Elite Renegade AR-15 AIRSOFT rifle. Now, I did this, I believe, with the Glock 17 pistol, but we're going to do it again with the rifle, just to see which one shoots the best out of the rifle. Right here, guys, I have a little selection of the UK Arms 12-gram airsoft BBs that came with the Chinese-made cheap airsoft guns that I have. I have the no-name brand light blue BBs. You guys can tell there's yellow ones in here. That's because I had to dig out these right here, so I only have that many. And I kept spilling BBs everywhere. So we're going to test these also. We're going to test out the Crosman Premier Ammo airsoft BBs that came with the Elite Renegade. And then yesterday, we tested these, but I want to put these up against all the other BBs that we have. So guys, I'm going to film this. I'm going to try different angles. We're going to have fun and just shoot around. The targets today. I selected 4 of the squirrel targets. We don't normally shoot the squirrel targets, so that's what I decided to do today for the target to shoot at. So y'all, let's get into it. We're going to start by shooting the cheapest airsoft BBs I have, which are the UK Arms BBs. Okay, now these are a little slick, and that could, affect performance. That's what I was trying to say. But y'all, let's get into it. Let's have fun. Let's make an airsoft video. All right, y'all. So I have a few of the UK Arms airsoft BBs loaded up in the magazine here. Alright, there's about... this one's really hard to get put in here. There we go. That's how you load it up in there, just like that. And then I shut the follower. Okay. Load it up into the gun here. Charge it. We should be ready to go, guys. Let's get set up for shooting. Alright, y'all, so here we go. UK Arms 12-gram airsoft BBs. Cheapest ones I got. Flip her off safety. She's ready to go. Alright, y'all, so this is what the UK Arms BB shots look like. Not too bad. They're all pretty much in the same exact hole. I mean, you got one or two, up here in the corners and stuff, but not too bad. So let's move on. I don't want this to be a very long video, but it's going to be what it's going to be. Yeah, so what I've got loaded up in the Elite Renegade right now are these light blue, no branded BBs, unknown brand BBs that actually came with the Glock whenever I got it, guys. Alright, I've already loaded up in here. Okay, so let's get to shooting and see how these unbranded airsoft BBs shoot. Alright, y'all, so again, you guys are in my shower. It's a good place to put the tripod. We're shooting the light blue, unknown brand airsoft BBs now. Okay. shot. Fourth shot. Fifth shot. Sixth shot. Seventh shot. That one bounced off. Got one mag release button right here. I'm not shot now, okay. Go check this target. Alright, y'all. So we still got a decent pattern with these unknown BBs. You guys can tell I stacked a few right up in here. We may have like one in the bullseye right there. But then we have some 1, 2, 3. You know, they were kind of farther out, so the pattern's not as tight, but that's still not a bad pattern. The reason I'm doing this testing is to see if it really matters what brand you shoot of airsoft BBs, just like pellets or other BBs that might perform really well out of the gun. So let's keep going, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I have some Crosman Premier Ammo airsoft BBs loaded up in the Elite Renegade right now, so guys, this is what we're going to shoot next. Alright, y'all, so here we go. Crosman Premier Ammo 12 gram airsoft BBs. One. I hope that shot. I couldn't hear it. One. I'll count that as the first shot. Six. I love this gun. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 13. 13 shots on, we're out, y'all. We're back on safety here. Just, you guys can never be too safe. Regular firearms, airsoft guns, BB guns, it don't matter. Treat every gun as if it were loaded. Treat every gun the exact same. Range safety is important. Alright, y'all, so with the Crosman Yellow Premier Ammo BBs, guys, we were nailing the target right here. Or just stacking them on top of each other. Got one in the bullseye. And yeah, pretty much every single shot except for that one went right here. Now I want to show you guys this. Okay, we have a few BBs on the ground here. But that's okay. Let's get these things picked up and move on to our last airsoft BB for this video. Alright, y'all, last but not least, the Walter Special Operations BBs by Umarex. Let's get to shooting those things, see how they do for accuracy, guys. Alright, y'all, so making these videos are really fun because it reminds me of making some OG DG Outdoors channel videos where I just take the camera and put it in different angles, and sometimes I actually shoot over the phone that I'm filming on and whatever. I did it with a 12 gauge. Not today, though, but I still got some cool angles for this. So, last but not least, Walter Special Operations Airsoft BBs. Let's go. Let's see the results. It's been a fun video. One. That kind of scared me. Two. BBs. Both of them bounce back out. Maybe they're not the best to use out of this one, but let's go check the accuracy stuff. Okay. Even with that triple, miss speed and stuff like that, I mean, we still stack some AIRSOFT BBs on top of each other with these Walther AIRSOFT BBs. I just don't think that this Elite Renegade really likes them very well. But, yeah. So let's compare all the shots and do an outro. Not too bad, though. Alright, y'all. So very similar patterns. Okay. But some were tighter than others. Some fed better than others. I would say the worst ones are the UK arms and the unknown BBs and special operations BBs. But the best one had to have been the Crossman BBs. But at the same exact time, I think I'd shoot all these out of that gun. Except for the Walther, because it just likes to have more feed issues than any of the other AIRSOFT BBs I have. And I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, I'm still working out the kinks of that gun. I think it's doing a great job. Okay. I have noticed some issues with the spring guide in the magazine wanting to get stuck a little bit and things like that. But other than that, I think today's winner is the Crossman Premier ammo that actually came with the gun. But if you guys look, stacking, 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 in the same exact spot almost. I mean, in every target. So that still doesn't answer my question. Do certain AIRSOFT BBs perform better than others? That's a yes and a no, because I'm getting really good accuracy at all of them. Some I have feed issues with, some, some are definitely cheaper, like the cheapest you can get versus something decent. But this has just been a fun video for you guys. I tried to not keep it real long. I tried to, I threw a marker down, the marker I was using. And I tried to get different angles, just like an OG DG Outdoors channel review. So y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys on the next one. But which one do you guys think is the winner? I say Crossman. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.